Many Americans won't be fully aware of the opioid crisis until it hits close to home. But the national emergency has millions of Americans trapped in the tragic cycle.
More than 1,600 Tennesseans died of drug overdoses last year. EMS workers here in Hamilton County face the battle up close. Channel 3's Tanisha Cordell has more on their encounters with those in need. Tanisha.
Well, 14 ambulances run 24 hours a day in Hamilton County. Kelly Torno and Chris Shea in Medic Unit 13 invited me to ride along with my camera. They help serve the downtown area. They say they're relieved they've only answered one heroin overdose in the past month.
No call is the same. It's never the same day.
5201 Raider Craig, North now.
As dispatch calls in, Torno drives while Shea prepares for a potential patient in the back of the ambulance. The team has 13 years of experience combined. They say having compassion for each call can be hard. It's why they take one call at a time.
Not every day is a bad day. It's not we're lucky in our district. Every day we don't have to deal with overdoses.
As opioid overdoses rise, paramedics like Torno and Shea are taking preventative measures. Their ambulance carries 6 doses of Narcan. It immediately reverses the effects of an opioid overdose, but a patient may need multiple doses. Torno says treating overdose patients can be intense.
If it's a child that got into grandma's pill bottle, is there child abuse or neglect to it? So you can get a little flustered with parents that don't keep, track of their kids or track of the medications, or the elderly that are, they don't know what they're supposed to be taking.
The Hamilton County EMS director tells us in the last 30 days, they have treated 39 patients with 49 doses of Narcan. Within the last year, they've treated 462 patients with 526 doses of Narcan. But opioids aren't always to blame.
Sometimes they're getting into blood pressure medications and they're overdosing on that, and our antidepressant medications, and even things like aspirin or Tylenol.
Whatever the case may be, Torno and Shea say they're prepared to help. Now, some pharmacies are selling Narcan over the counter, but medical experts are concerned the convenience could be abused. Now, the public health emergency that President Donald Trump put in place will last 90 days. It can be renewed until it's no longer needed. For now, live in the studio, Tanisha Cordell, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.